नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ GVN डॉक्टर रितु शर्मा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ गायनी ऑफ फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. Now today's session is benign lesion ovary part 1. Benign lesion of ovary. Normal ovaries, normal size 5 into 3 into 3 centimeter. Variation in dimensions can result from endogenous hormonal production varies with age and menstrual cycle. Exogenous substances including OCS, GnRH, agonists, or ovulation inducing medication may affect size. Classification of ovarian masses: non-neoplastic, that is functional cyst, and neoplastic, that is benign cyst. Functional cyst also follicular cyst, corpus luteum cyst, theca lutein and granulosa lutein cyst, polycystic ovarian syndrome, endometrial cyst. Now, neoplastic cyst is the epithelial tumor, sex cord stromal lipid cell tumor, gram cell tumor of ovary, dermoid cyst, and gonadroblastoma, unclassified secondary metastasis. Non-neoplastic cyst. Common feature of functional cyst, that is temporary hormonal disorder, is the main cause, rarely complicated, occasionally confused with neoplastic cyst, but can be differentiated by these features, that is non-exciting to 5 cm usually, spontaneous regression, unilocular, contains clear fluid, and lining epithelium correspond to functional epithelium. Functional ovarian cyst. Follicular cyst, corpus luteum cyst, theca lutein cyst, luteomas of pregnancy. By far the most common clinically detectable enlargements of the ovary in the reproductive year. All are benign and usually asymptomatic. Follicular cysts. Cystic follicles is defined as follicular cyst of diameter less than 3 cm, and most common functional cysts rarely larger than 8 cm. Lined by granulosa cells found identically on pelvic examination, usually resolve within 4 to 8 weeks with acceptant management. May rupture or torus occasionally, causing pain and peritoneal symptoms. That is follicular cyst. Corpus luteal cyst, less common than follicular cyst. May rupture leading to homoperitoneum and requiring surgical management, more in patients taking anticoagulants or with bleeding diastasis. Unruptured cyst may cause pain because of bleeding into enclosed ovarian cyst activity. Corpus luteal cyst, that is diagram showing corpus luteal cyst. Theca lutein cyst, least common, usually bilateral, result from overstimulation of the ovary by beta HCG, do not commonly occur in normal pregnancy, often associated with hydatidform mole, choriocarcinoma, multiple gestations, use of clomiphene and GnRH. Analogous may be quite larger up to 30 cm, multicystic and regress spontaneously. Theca lutein cyst. Management of functional cyst. Expectant, watchful waiting of 2 or 3 cycle is appropriate. Combined oral contraceptives appear to be no benefits. Should cyst persistent, surgical management is often indicated. Oral contraceptive for functional ovarian cyst. Endometritis, endometriomas. Most common site of involvement is the ovary. Endometriomas are pseudocysts formed by investigation of the ovarian cortex, sealed off by adhesins. They may completely replace normal ovarian tissues. Cyst walls are usually thick and fibrotic. USG echoic cyst 2 cyst with diffuse low level echo 2 solid appearing masses. Fluid or debris fluid level may also be seen. They may be unilocular or multilocular within thin or thick septations. Malignant transpirations 0.3% to 0.8%. Now management, medical and surgical also. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.